I am of the belief that you can find the divine in the most quiet of times. We're so conditioned to seek out the grand gestures, the monumental achievements. But I found something truly profound, something deeply satisfying in the quiet, persistent rhythm of life unfolding before us. Because the truth is, the world's most beautiful performances are often the most subtle. It's the gentle sway of a flower in the breeze, a movement so delicate you almost miss it, the rich, vibrant hues emerging in a freshly watered leaf, the way the light paints shadows through a dense thicket, creating fleeting art. It's about finding that deep, quiet contentment in the unfolding of life's simplest forms. The noise makes these invisible 99% of the time. To resonate, we must learn to stop, take a moment, and listen.